let's get some files to our database. I will show you basic procedure how to register your files and how to change some basic parameters and basic metadata for each file. Please note that you can see two different views in our media browser. First one is database, and here you can see all your registered files, and the second one is hard drive view, and here you can browse through your physical folders, and you can browse through your registered media paths. Just note that you need to register your media path using settings. First one during the basic setup, and also you're able to add additional folders dynamically. So let's browse through our physical folders, and I will click on yellow folder icon, and now I can see structure of my registered path. I will click on DTM folder or some other folder, and very quickly, instantly, you will have you will see the files present in each folder. So I will decide to register my DTM files, for example, and I will select 3 files. Remember that you can register more files in one step, so you are not obligated to register file one by one. Okay, let's get these 3 files now. Select your files and just press Add to Database. Now we need to choose what kind of content we have. These files are what? Programs, commercials, promos, breaks, intros, anything. So I will choose program type. Last step is just press on little green yes icon. Very quickly, our files are now in our database. Please note that already registered files are not visible in hard drive view anymore, so this will prevent double registration and some mistakes. Okay, let's get more files right now, and I will choose my commercials folder, and now I will choose more files. Remember that demo version is limited to 30 files only. I will press Add to Database. I will choose my another type. This time it's commercial type, and I will press on green yes icon. Very quickly, I will have all these files in my database. Okay, this is step number 1. Now we can do some additional settings for each file or for many files at once. For example, we can add additional metadata. For program content, we can add additional strings and additional description, which will be used by automatic graphics. Also, we can double click on each file, and very quickly we can set global in and out points, for example like this, and for example like this. And now we remember these in points forever. So every time when you add this file to playlist, defined in and out points will be used. Also very useful, pressing options button, you will have access to define breakpoints for each file. So what if I need to insert commercial and split this file in several points, for example like this, and I want to split this file on this point and finally on this point. So what I already done, I define my breakpoints. Immediately you will see notification that these files already had breakpoints defined. Also, beside this metadata and in-out changes, you are able to change some technical parameters for each file, like interlace, so you can reverse fields or define progressive playout for each file. Also, you're able to activate aspect ratio conversion in real time, and also all these changes can be done globally for multiple files in one step. To do this, you can select more files, and also you can choose multi-update feature. To do this, I will click on multi-update, and now I want to change type for all these files in one step. To do this, choose new type, like break for example, and just press on the green icon. Immediately the property is changed. Okay, I will do and I will change type again to bring my commercials back. Okay, and you note that you can change many other parameters in one step. Okay, let's bring some files to playlist. To do this, we are able to use several options. The first one is append. So I want to start my playlist with this commercial, for example. And please note, when the playlist is empty, Playout will ask when you want to start this playlist. Immediately, at certain time, and the current time is offered. If you accept this value, Playout will not start. Playout will wait for your manual play next command. So I will choose this, and then I will add some additional files, and notice that here I use only append button. So I want to insert some video files right above this commercial. So I will choose my insert button, and I will choose my insert button again. Okay, the third button is insert segmented. Please note that we define breakpoints on this file. So if I choose insert segmented, I will insert all 4 parts in one step, and all parts are already with defined in and out points very quickly. Okay, to start Playout in this situation, you need to press Play Next button, and I will do it right now. Okay, are you sure you want to play next file? Yes. Here you can activate video preview, and you can see your actual output. And also I will go to Vmix, and I can see my actual output using NewTek NDI IP. Okay, let's go back to Playout. Beside these basic options, also you can quickly replace some file. For example, I want to replace this commercial with something else. So with this, to do this kind of actions, you can use replace button. So Playout will ask, do you want to replace current instance or all instances? So I will choose current instance, and quickly you will see new content here, and also new duration and new schedule time. Besides these basic buttons, we are able to use stop commands. So using stop commands, you can stop your Playout at any time. So if I put stop command, when Playout finish this commercial, it will go to standby state and wait manual play next control. Also, we are able to use live source, and remember that we define Blackmagic Decklink HD Extreme as our live source, and now we are able to use it. So just press on the insert live button, define your duration, and now we have live source in the playlist. With double click on live source, we are able to change technical parameters, and also we are able to change duration. So I want to play just I don't know, 1 minute of live. And also for live sources, wait manual next is very important checkbox. If this checkbox is checked, so live will never end. At the end of this minute, playout will wait for manual play next control. In case if we uncheck this and press update, in that case, playout will play 1 minute of live and immediately go to next event on the playlist. Also, you can insert your stream source, and also you can choose add to block button and form a group of files, and this will be explained in some future tutorial. Okay, let's play and let's start your playout.